Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Sharing your calendar on your iPhone can be a fantastic way to coordinate schedules with family, friends or colleagues. Here is a straightforward guide to help you share your calendar effortlessly. Let's get started. The first step is to open the calendar app on your iPhone. Start by tapping the calendar app on your iPhone. Then you select calendars. At the bottom of the screen, tap on calendars to view all your calendars. Next, choose the calendar to share. Find the calendar you want to share and tap on the info icon, eye icon next to it. Add people. Scroll down to the share with section and tap on add person. Then you enter the contact information. You can either type in the email address of the person you want to share the calendar with or select their contact from your address book. Tap add to send the invitation. The recipients will receive an email with a link to accept the invitation and access your calendar. After adding a person, you can set their permissions. Tap on their name under the share with section to choose whether they can view and edit the calendar or just view it. And there you have it guys, you successfully shared your calendar on your iPhone, making it super easy to coordinate and plan with others, whether it's for family events, work, meeting or social gatherings. Shared calendar keep everyone on the same page. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.